Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and we're going to announce some winners of the CM Design watch face called the Rift. Listen, CM Design, he got down on this watch face, and he has been for quite some time. He's been brushing up on his skills. He has been raising the bar. So we want to thank him for the donation. You always thank him. You always show him love. Continue to do so. And I am very grateful to the loyal subscribers as well. Thank you all for participating. So if your name doesn't get called, know that eventually it will, okay? But I do want to thank the subscribers. I do want to thank the people who comment on a daily basis, whether you're a subscriber or not. And whether I call your name or not, listen, know that I appreciate everybody. But listen, Jackie, Paulo, OZ, Usman, Adrian, Scott Norris, William Pierce, Prinjess, Mohammed, Kryptonia, Daryl Gray, Vincent, Steve, guys, thank you all. Thank you all for supporting the channel. Thank you all for helping me to grow. Thank you all for being a part of the family. All right. Now, before I get started with announcing the winners, I do want to let you know I got something coming up. I'm just trying to balance out the time to be able to put it all together because I want to give back. And I know you're probably saying, oh, you don't have to do that. But I want to do that because for real, the channel could not exist. The channel could not grow if it wasn't for you all. So definitely I want to do something that I think is cool, something unique, something different. I just got to iron out some kinks. And when it's time, I will bring it to you. But again, thank you all for being a huge part of Huck's World. Cool? All right, you all, let's go ahead and let's name the winners of the CM Design watch face called Rift. All right, now those winners, I mean, we got a couple of new people on the channel, so I thought we'd go ahead and show them some love. Haven't seen their name before. Thank you for participating. Also, thank you for being a part of the channel, whether you're a subscriber or not. But let's go ahead. Let's name off the winners with all further ado. First winner will be Nav. If I'm pronouncing that right, Navid, I'm not sure. His name is spelled Naved, Hashmi. And the next winner is going to be David Pervolos. If I pronounce that right, if I butchered your name, please forgive me. I'm bad at pronunciation. I will work on it, okay? So with that being said, congratulations. Make sure you congratulate the winners. You always do. I really appreciate that. That does my heart well. But listen, winners, all you simply have to do is check the description box down below and have my email. You also see it going across the screen right now. And if you're gonna redeem the watch face code and you don't have a card on file and you don't have a Samsung account, you're gonna have to set one up, if I'm not mistaken, in order to be able to redeem the watch face codes. So hit me, let me know if you've done this before. If you don't know how, I'm gonna shoot you a video on how to redeem it. But if I need to shoot another video out so far as how to add a card, I take a look at that and shoot out a video for that one. But it should be simple, cut and dry how to do it. But all in all, congratulations. I appreciate you guys. And with that, that's going to be the end of this video. Continue to participate, continue to comment, and continue to be a part of Huck's World. And with that, I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.